how to verify your BM. So maybe you're advertising on Meta ads, you try to verify your BM, you get rejected. So if you're a beginner, this video is not for you. If you're an advanced ecom entrepreneur or other kind of advertiser, affiliate marketing, I will give you some good solutions in this video. So my name is Moose from Unlimited Scaling. We help e-commerce store owners scale without blocks. And I know for some of you, you might want to have a verified BM for have access to a credit line or have access to some certain benefits that you cannot have with your normal BM right now because you know that you're spending a lot of budget. You'd like to maybe have a proper invoicing and stuff like that. So in this video, I will discuss about verified BMs and how you could get your BM verified. So for some of you guys, you already tried. For some of you, got rejected right away. For some of you, the option is not available. So there is multiple possibilities there. But what we could do is for a short period of time, we can analyze what's going on of your BM and we could see if we can help you with the verification before increasing amount of ad accounts. That's helpful to have a verified BM because you can rapidly increase comparing to a normal BM. We realize that sometimes it's just a glitch, like you do the process of verification, nothing happens. Sometimes they're verified and then they cancel the verification within a few days. So I know some of you guys been facing weird issues with that. So what's best for you guys, if you're okay with that, is to chat us and we can analyze your BM together over WhatsApp. You can write to us and we can see how we can make your BM verified. So that's very cool, especially for credit lines. So if you like these kinds of videos and looking for more quick tips, we have shorter and longer videos on our YouTube channel. Please have a look and I hope you will love it. See you there.